Okay, get ready in 3, 2, 1, Kizuna! Okay, one more. Mas mahirap sa'yo, ha? Hi!
Natahulog ako! Halika! Hindi na papa! Tatahulog si mama!
Oh my God, wait, once. Abby, wait! Abby, wait! Come here! Come here!
Oh, tagita, pila kayo doon kasi mayroon din na nasakay. Oh, kumain doon ako pumunta na dyan. Kasi lang. Kaya, sila naman natin gawin, sila mamaya. Mamaya ka natin gawin. Sila muna. Para...
Isa-isa mo lang, guys.
Kasi pang-apol na one, ha? Okay, ready, go! Okay, next. Oh. Okay, hawak. Ready, go!
Get tayo, arms forward! Arms forward! Okay, good job. Arms forward. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, in a count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ayan, salamat ng mga kids na gusto mag-join sa ating sport kick. Shake your hands, and shake your hands. Okay, yes, are you ready? so we're going to our way. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kuya Jen, your host for today. Together with my partner, Ate Dixie and Ate Rena. Say hi! Alright, so cute.
Ano luto nyo? Scarlett, pizza? Pizza! Hi, Abby!
46. Okay, 1 point for Team Blue. Okay, one more. Last round. We have a final round. Mas mataas. Ready? Kuha na ng bola. Team White. Team Blue. Huwag masyadong lapit habang mag-isip kayo. Doon tayo sa harap. Yan. Sa harap. Alright. Team White. Team White. Team White, are you ready to win? Team Blue, are you ready to win? Okay. The final round begins. And 3, 2, 1, go! 50, 40, 30, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, stop. Okay, arm side wide.
Scarlett!
Okay, may surprise si Ate Wena at si Ate Daisy sa inyo. Pero bago yan, sasayaw muna tayo ng favorite dance ng ating mascot na si Lalansyan. So the back. Okay, music please. Hands up. Slowly down. And jump. March. Up, side to side. March. And jump. March. Side to side and sleep. Follow Ate Wena. Lift your hands. Sway to the right, to the left. On your shoulder. Yes. And jump. And sway.
Chasing your dreams,
Straight down.
with your hands in the sky.
Peace.
Just be brave, you can do anything.
And more.
La 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 la, be happy and smile.
And
Let's
jump. And sway again. Cute, like Ate Daisy.
And if you ever feel so frightened, my friend, I'm always
Chest.
hard.
And
But
turn
look, the world's
around.
a better place.
And jump. More.
Hello, my friends, let's do la la. Sing, sing, sing.
More.
Come on and sing with me.
Jump.
Dance, dance, dance.
More.
With a smile, let's
Nice ni Ate Wena. Ano kaya ito? Okay, kids. Hindi lang tayo ha. And 3, 2, 1. Then shout surprise. You open natin yung box. Okay? Get ready. Let's go. And 3. Oh, lahat ng may mga balon, sit down muna tayo dito. Let's take a picture. Ang balon mo. Sit down tayo. Sino yung wala? Yung mga balon? Ay, yung mga wala, wait lang po, kukuha pa tayo. Ito si ate. Okay. Kids, face here. Then wave your balloon. Ate Daisy, lagay mo sila sa harap. Yung makikita. Thank you po. Alright, kids. Wave your balloon like this. Okay, may pa-practicing tayo, ha? Sit down, sit down. Dito tayo harap. Okay, mommies and daddies, get ready your camera po dito sa harap to take a group picture. When I say Kidzuna, you will shout, hooray! Okay, get ready. In 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! Okay, one more. Mas malakas. Kidzuna! Okay, this time, dito tayo harap kay mommy and daddy. Okay. Okay, sit down. One more. Look at the camera. Okay. Okay, mami, selfie tayo. Ganito po yung pag-take na picture para pwede natin i-upload sa ating Kidzuna page. Ayan, selfie tayo, mami. Selfie. Yeah, good job. Okay. Kids, look at the camera. You
Avisha's video.